Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to allow tagging on LinkedIn mobile app. Tagging can boost your visibility and engagement within your professional network. Let's get started. First, open up the LinkedIn app on your Android smartphone. If you don't have the app installed on your phone, you can simply download it from the Play Store. Now log into your LinkedIn account. Since my login was saved by LinkedIn, I only have to click on my account name to sign in. But if you are new, you might have to enter your email address and password, and then you can sign into your LinkedIn account. And also, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you can watch our previous video on how to create a LinkedIn account. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture. Click on Settings, which is located at the bottom left of your screen. Now, click on Visibility. And in the visibility setting, scroll down until you see mentions or tags option and simply tap on it. By default, LinkedIn allows anyone to tag you in posts. However, you can adjust your settings to manage this. Now, you'll see a toggle option, which either allows mentions and tags or won't allow mentions and tags. Select the option that best suits your preference. For now, I'll toggle it on so that people could tag me in posts. That's it. With these simple steps, you have adjusted your tagging settings on LinkedIn mobile app. For more LinkedIn tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.